And finally, we've come to the arteries of the lower limbs. So we're going to follow that abdominal aorta as it extends into the pelvic region. There it splits into two common iliac arteries. The iliac artery, of course, is named for the iliac region, and we see the term common in its name, meaning that it's going to divide and the two new divisions are going to retain that name. And indeed, that's what happens as we have the internal iliac artery here and the external iliac artery here. Now we're going to follow the external iliac artery as it passes into the thigh. There's a branch and it becomes the femoral artery. The femoral artery then continues to extend distally. Then there's a branch, and as it passes through the posterior knee, it becomes the popliteal artery. Now we're going to switch to this other image to the right here because it just shows a better image of the arteries of the leg. As that popliteal artery extends into the leg, it divides into an anterior tibial artery and a posterior tibial artery, both named for the nearby tibia bone.